Hi guys and welcome back to Roasters Gaming YT, which will be changed to What the Code. So we will call it What the Code now. From today, the theme of this channel has been changed to learning to code, that is mainly Python, a programming language, because that's what I know the much. So today I will teach you to make this program which takes any integer input which does not have any decimal point. So if we input 5, then it will print the capital letter T. In this T, the horizontal line will have length 3 into n. N will be the variable of this number. So 3 into n is its length and the width is n. And for the vertical line, it will have n as length and 2n as breadth, and it will be in an infinity loop. It will continue forever until any text input will be given, so it will become a error and the process will be stopped. So first open your source code editor if you are using some, and if you are using Python IDLE, then it will already be Python. If you are using any source code editor, then choose the language from here, type Python, and then click enter. So first we will have to take input from the user with this sentence. After this, but this will not work because any user input is default saved as a string. So we will have to make it an integer. So we will use int, then use a bracket, and inside this bracket enter this input statement. So now the input, which will be default value string, will be converted into an integer value. Now in that integer value, we have to make two for loops. In the first for loop, we have to give range as n. And then here print this character, and then give end equals empty string. Now what this does is it prints this character star, that is called asterisk, and here end means that it becomes an empty string, so it continues in the same line. So now if we run the program, first we have to save it. So let's save it as pattern of 3. Now if we run the program, then this input will come here. If we give here 3, then it will print like this, but it is looking like very compact. So what we will do here is enter tab. So now it will be more readable by the user who is running the program. Like now it will print like this. So here is enough space to understand what is printed. But now this won't work because it is only working in one line, but we have to make n lines. but with 3 in length. So we will give here 3 multiplied by n and then multiplied by this string and put it in a bracket or parenthesis. Then I think it should work. So it is working like this, in this manner. Wait a second. Okay. If we give here the bracket, then also it is the same thing. And now we have to do this so that it goes to the new line. So now if we input at 3, and it prints like this. So see 3, so here is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, which is 3 into 3, that is 3n, and the breadth is, the width is n, that is 1 2 3. So the horizontal line part is complete. Now we have to make another for loop, but here range will have to be something different. So we need, first for the horizontal line we needed width as n. So we entered the value here n. So here we need 2n width. So we will give here 2 multiplied by n. Then in the same style as before, we will do this part, that is n multiplied by tab and then n. Sorry, start. Then again n, and then again this or new line. So if we run the program now and enter S3, we can see that it is kind of working, but the indentation is wrong. This is because we will have to give here 4 spaces, which is equal to 1 tab in Python at least. Here F3, then you see that the lines are matching, but it's not the T, rather it is looking like a right angle. So for that we have to multiply n into a space, maybe a tab. 1 2 3 4, and then add it to another string, that will be this. I will not go through the very basic Python programming. If you want to learn the basic Python programming, so then you can go to other channels in YouTube, or you can maybe even learn it from apps present in Play Store. So now if we run this program, I think it should be working. If we write here 3, it is working perfectly. But you see that only once it is using, then the process is terminating. What if we wanted to run forever? Use Ctrl+A to select the whole document and put it inside a tab for the indent, and then write while true. I will not go through this very detailed manner, but what the while true loop does is that it creates an infinity loop, because before the while true, nothing is there to be proved to be true. So it will always be true, and so it will be continuous and forever. So infinite loop. So now if we run, and this it should be working as well, it is working. For 6 also it is working, and for 10 also it should be working. Yes, it is working. Now if we enter anything like this, then you saw at the beginning of the video that it will cause an error. At the same time, if we write something like this, then also it will cause an error. So you only have to enter any integer that does not have any decimal point. If it has any decimal point, then the int function will not work, because int function converts the given string into an integer. But if it has any decimal point, then it becomes a float. And float integers speciality is that they contain decimal point. So we cannot do that, or else it will cause an error. So you saw how that worked. The same output will be received if you did this in Python idle. And if you are using Python, this is for Python 3, any version of Python 3. If you are using any version of Python 2, then the code is different. I am using Python 3, so I don't know the current code for Python 2, but I know this, that this end function will not be there, and rest everything is same. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like to like and subscribe, and see you in my next video.
Inside my own world of make-believe, kids screaming in the cradles, profanities.